A lot of you have been complaining about this demonetizing of Faceless YouTube channel, especially on Twitter, that's on X. And it's so exhausting because we know, because I'm among you guys, I have a Faceless YouTube channel. So I know the amount of work we put into this Faceless YouTube channel. Is it the editing, the scripting, the image creation, the video creation, like a whole lot. And imagine you waking up one morning to YouTube email about your channel being demonetized because of just one thing. See, it is so exhausting. I understand you because I'm in that class. So if you're using AI to create your Faceless YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Grow with Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you everything you need to know about AI creation, how to grow your YouTube channel. In fact, just check the channel. You're going to see something that will make you to stick around. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to avoid YouTube demonetization, how to take care of a Faceless YouTube channel, and how to protect your Faceless YouTube channel. So if this is what you're interested in, then do well to watch to the end. The first part where most of you have issue in and most of you don't know is copyright music. I have a video on where to find uncopyrighted music. Please do well to check it out. I'm going to link it in the description box. Most of you, when creating your Faceless AI channel or Faceless AI video, I know that at times we need song to be playing in that video until to give you this emotion of maybe something is about to happen, to give it lively, right? Good. Now, most of you, whenever you want to look for music to add to your AI channel, you now come to YouTube and start looking for uncopyrighted music, or you see a channel that will tell you you should take music from that channel that it is uncopyrighted. See, I don't even like it. I don't even want to take chance. If I want to create my Faceless AI video and I need to add music to the video, I generally carry myself straight to YouTube studio, download my music and add it to my video. It is just that simple. I don't even want chances because these people that tell you that their music is not copyright, the person that has the music can just wake up one morning and say, oh, I want to monetize my song. You will not do anything because it is not your work, it is not your music. The person has right to do anything he or she wants to that music. So please, when you want to take out a music to add to your YouTube video or anything, I beg, please, I beg you, just go to YouTube studio. I'm going, in fact, the video is on my channel. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. Just go to YouTube, search for a music, then you add it to your video. Or you can just create music by yourself. See, it is easy. Remember, I told you this video is for AI. I'm going to teach you all you need to know about your AI creation. So do well to follow me because by next week, I'm going to be dropping how to create your own music for your AI video. That is your own. So for now, please just go to YouTube studio and download your audio and add to your video to avoid copyright sound. The second reason is mass production. See, most of you don't even put in work in producing your folktale story, especially this is for those in the African niche. I'm serious, you guys don't even put in the work because tell me why I'm coming to YouTube, oh, I just want to watch something fun, and all of a sudden all of you just have one particular video type. Okay, there was a time that the African folktale niche, there was a time the video that was raining was that video of mommy please, daddy please, the teacher did this, like something like that. I know you guys understand. That was the video that was going viral at that moment. Then almost everybody was producing that one type of video, which is what mass production. So please try and learn how to create script by yourself, even if you like somebody's video. Oh, you have gotten an idea, because see, one thing I used to tell people is that whatever idea that's in your head, somebody else has already done it. But what makes yours different from the other person's own is how you bring out your own for people to see. That is what makes your idea unique. Life is just that simple. So even if you see somebody's script or video, and you got an idea from the video, you can as well just tweak it and create your own story from it. And you see, your own is going to be different. And that's the way to protect your YouTube channel is by putting in more effort. See, most of you don't put in effort. I am not joking, because another reason why YouTube actually demonetized your Faceless channel is because of they see it as you guys are using one template of editing. That's basically. So what you're going to do, try and put more effort. See, most of you is AI that gives you script to your video. They create, like they basically do everything for you, from your scripting to your image creation to your voiceover to your video editing, everything, which is not good. Some of you will just go to, there's this website, I don't even want to say the name. People will go to the website, people will get prompt from ChatGPT, go to the website and input your prompt in that website. The website will just create video for you. You just carry it straight from the website into your YouTube channel. As how? You never ready for this AI faceless thing, oh. Please and please put in the effort. When I say put in the effort, we all know that AI, ChatGPT or Claude AI create our scripts for us. I'm not going to deny the fact. Now, when it's done creating your script, your video script for you, tweak it, add one or two. Okay, for example, let's say you're into finance, right? You can just say, this is how I spent my monthly income at the beginning of a finance video. Like, add one or two things to it. Like, okay, even if AI should just write your African folktale story, once can just add Igbo something. If you're an Igbo, you can just add Igbo phrase, Igbo sound, like to make it different, like to give you this human touch. Then when you're done creating your script and everything, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, do what to leave it in the comment section. I will be in the comment section. Now, when you're done creating your script, you now go over to the voice. Now, when you come to the voice, most of these AI voices, they sound AI. They don't even give us these human feelings. No pauses anywhere, no emotion. That's why whenever you want to use any voice app or voice website to create your AI story, ensure that you add prompt, because there's this website I used to use to create my voiceover. I add prompts. I used to add prompts on how the AI voice is going to talk. Now, I will tell you to give it, I will tell you to add pause, I will tell you to add emotion, and there are some, okay, for example, if I want to say father, now I will tell you to, whenever you want to say father, you should say it in a high tone. I don't know if you understand. Give it prompt, tell it how you want him or her, that's the AI voice, to sound in your video. Remember, you are the director. You are the director, so you know what you want. If you want to direct movie, you don't just sit down and allow your cast to just do whatever they want to do. You don't say, I'll put it together, make we bring it up for these people to watch. No. So you're the director, direct your movie. It is just that simple. Now, after creating your voice and creating your image, then when it comes to video editing, after creating your voice, creating your image and creating your video, that's animating the video, then when it comes to video editing, just go to CapCut or whatever editing app that you use to edit your video, then you start editing. This is where the main work comes in. Add your transition, add your effects, add your caption, add your movement, add like tweak it, add sound, all these sound effects, add b-rolls, add zooming effects. Don't be lazy, put in that effort. And see, there's how you're gonna edit your video, that, see, YouTube does not reward lazy people at all. It does not. So put in the work, add your editing. There's how you're going to edit your video, even if it's the same script people they see everywhere, there's how YouTube will see that video. YouTube will know, oh, that person do this work. There's nothing you will tell me, because most of you say, in fact, some of you say, when it comes to this scripting, there's this website that you can take someone's link for, you copy someone's video's link, take it to the website and ask the website to generate the transcript of that video. That's what some of you do. I'm not joking. The transcript of that video, you will not collect the transcript and just go and produce your video like that. Who does that? So please, I'm begging you, put in the effort in that your Faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel pays. I'm not going to lie, but for it to pay, you have to put in the work. Calm down. See, one thing about YouTube is that YouTube is not a quick rich scheme. If I'll put it like that, it's something that you have to put in the effort and see your effort paying you back. So please, let's be careful on how we run our Faceless YouTube channel and try as much as we can to follow the policy and see how YouTube is going to reward you. I'm not joking. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, comment, and don't forget to leave a nice, do well to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check the description box. You're going to see links to some helpful video on this page. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.